what's been the biggest frustration you've seen with some of these sellers that want to sell, but they go, gosh, Jonathan, I'm going to get crushed with tax. So A, I either want a higher price, or B, why don't you go find me that 1031 property to move into? And it becomes the chicken and the egg, right? Until you find the deal. But if you find the deal is going to be gone anyways by the time you sell the property. So what has that been your feel for the 1031 exchange and capital gains tax when it comes to approaching these mobile home park and owners who are wanting to sell?
No, the angle I've seen is the treasury bill, because they're usually they've built the parks in the 60s, 70s. They just want to get completely out. The kids have been out of the space for a long time. And the other challenge to that is, remember, it goes to 43,000 change parks. So there's not enough inventory unless they're switching asset classes. And so, with 1031s, the biggest issue is identify the intermediary and, all these timelines and switching asset classes. So I've seen a lot of people with the treasury bill being so high in the last couple of years. And I know a lot of brokers have been pushing this too, when the 5+. Well, you could just have a hands-off deal. And then obviously you have your unique creative solution, which I just found out about. But yeah, the treasury bill has been kind of the angle.
Yeah. And so when you say the treasury bill you've been pushing, so what do you mean by that, right? Because in our strategy, right, you can defer the tax, you can get out and be done with the toilet trash and liability, and you can literally put it into treasury bills, all tax deferred, but it's going to be an extra 20, 30, 40, or 50% of the proceeds. It doesn't have to be the like kind replacement. It doesn't have to go to the self-storage or the parking lots or apartment complex or something because to me, most of these owners that are baby boomers, they want to be out of the day-to-day, right? They want to be out of the having to deal with the banks and the P&Ls and all of the stuff that's associated with owning real estate today.